Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Forex Fundamentals, and I am your host Avi. Okay, on the last video, I hope that you guys had profit, particularly those people who are in my free WhatsApp group of the Forex Fundamentals. I'm telling you that this is a free WhatsApp group. It is not just a signal group, but it's basically more of an analysis group and the signals group. You can learn over there as well, and how the signals are being created and how the market is moving around, because I solely believe that just on the basis of the signals you can't succeed in this market. So what we have to do, we really have to get into that group. It's a free group, no fees are required, no joining fees and no monthly fees is there. The only thing is that you have to join the OCTAFX or XNESS through our IB link. The links are in the description. If you are a new user, then the links are also in the description. If you are existing user, the numbers are there, IB numbers are there. You can change those numbers and avail the facility of the free WhatsApp group. Okay, so coming back to the yesterday's video, it was a perfect day. Basically, I told you that till 5 p.m. you have to close all your deals in the profit, and that's what exactly happened. Whether the euro, US JPY, the GBP, and all the gold, we hit all our targets. And most of the people who followed my video, they booked their profit at 1700 hours, 1700 hours Pakistan Standard Time, and from there I told you that the data could go anywhere, and that's what exactly happened. Although the whole world was turned bullish after the data, but exactly I told you that there are still the 10% chances are there that the data could go on the other side, and exactly that what happened, and the bears took the control over there on the market. So what we are heading towards now, although that I asked in my group that to take the buy positions and start entering the buy positions, and the people are in the long positions as till there's no daily closing below 1685. I still think that there is a rebound possibility up to the level of 1721. So you can avail that facility, and you should take a buy position on the gold and keep on adding to your position with the stop loss of 1683 would be a right way. Or you can hold your breath and let the market come to the 1692 area, and from there you can get into the buy positions. That will be an excellent entry, and our TP one could be 1709, and 1709 is also the pivot point of today. And on the other side, if you discuss about the GBP, there's important data over there, and the data is showing that there's the inflation numbers, and inflation will be high on that GBP. So the GBP has the area and the tendency that it can go up to 1.13, but it has the strong support from 1.13 to the 1.14 area, and it can really influence the market today for the buy positions. And for the euro, there are the speeches, and euro can, after those speeches by the president, the euro can go bullish. Although I'll still say that euro has a very simple trade plan on, and whatever I'm telling you, it's an intraday base. And for the euro, I would suggest that yes, you can take the long position as well for just a week or so. But I most of the people are doing the intraday trading. So for the intraday point of view, 0.984 is the SL, and you can take the buy position whenever anything above that, and anything below 1 is an excellent buy position, I'm telling you that. And you can take your first TP at 1.007, and then from there onward, and it can go up to 1.023 as well in the coming days. Okay, now coming back to the most important fundamental data, that is the PPI numbers, what we are expecting, because this is the Forex fundamental group and the fundamentals are being given the priority. So the PPI numbers which are expected, they are going to cool off, I'm telling you that. Yesterday, it was a gone past day, although because the supply chain is getting stronger over there, and the supplies are getting good, stockpiles are getting good over there, and thus there's a strong tendency that the PPI number, which is expected on the lower side, the consensus on the low side, it is going to come right away like that. Just if the PPI numbers meet the targets, then the gold can go bullish. there's a tendency that the DXY is hitting the resistance zone, that is the 110.5. That is the key resistance zone. It was rejected previously from there as well, so there's a high tendency that 110.5 is the rejection zone of the DXY, and it can go again retest the 108 area before the rate change interest, because there are still the 4 working days left before we go to the FOMC for the rate change decision of the Federal Reserve. So this is the possibility that 108.5 can be the DXY target, and thus it will make the Euro GBP bullish on the bullish side. And USD JPY is facing a strong resistance onto the main level, that is the 145. And in the morning, the Japanese officials also took the notice, and given the verbal statement, it also put the brakes on the movement of the USD JPY. So USD JPY is on the bearish mode till the Federal Reserve rate change decision, or if the PPI numbers that are going to come on the as per consensus, this is also going to put a selling pressure onto the PPI numbers. So this is how the market is shaping up right now, and I'm sure you will make a good profit in these areas. So anything else you want me to add to the video, or if you can contact me, my WhatsApp number is in the description. You should like it, because I have also a Hindi based channel that is with the Forex Blaster. And for my viewers who don't understand the Hindi, this is the new channel for which I'm establishing it. But there's always a difference, because this is the sequel. And one thing I really missed on the news coming from the that are not good from the border of the Armenia and Azerbaijan. So Russia is getting involved on the other side as well. So this means that the war is escalating, although it is just something regarding the border, and it is not a proper war, but this is some sort of an escalation, and this could put the bullish momentum on the gold as well, I'm telling you that. So this is something which we have to look forward to. But the main thing is that the 10-year T-bond yields are going to stay above 3.00 area. Currently 3.42 is the T-bond yield rate. So this keep on adding the selling pressure, so we have to find the selling entries on the gold as well. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Have a good day, and keep texting me, keep liking, and keep commenting on the video. Thank you very much.